Alright guys, this is just to show you guys how long it takes. It's been about 8 minutes and it's about halfway done, as you can see here. And I wanted to show you as it gets completed, each section, each clip will turn green, which is what you want. And when you're done, or when it's done, not only does it make it smoother, but you can actually see it makes it look crisp, sharper, and then when you go to export it, it becomes even more like crisp, sharper, better, just plays smooth like a movie, like a dance video, dance music video. So stay tuned. This was just to show you that it is, yellow means it's kind of like, neutral. Green, that means it has like some things wrong with it. Red means like there's a lot done to the clip, like you put a LUT over it, you did a temperature change, you'd exposed any of the light or colors or basic correction stuff, and yeah, that's gonna need to be rendered until it gets to green. So when it hits green, then that means you're fully good to export, and you won't have any choppy parts when you export the clip. Now you see how much goes into this, but this is going to get a lot of praise. This is going to get a lot of recognition. This is why I do this, versus if you can do it on the phone. You can do it on the phone, but there's not all these extra steps. Like, there is, you can color correct to a certain degree, but there is no rendering on the phone, Like, it's not going to be as crisp and as sharp looking, in my opinion, doing it on the phone versus doing it on the computer, ever. No doubt in my mind. It can look pretty darn close. It can look pretty close, but there's a reason they say PC master race, and that's because Adobe, it's the industry standard, So as you can see, there's another 8 minutes. So I will be back in 8 minutes, and we will continue to watch the clip, and then we will admire it. And then I will show you export settings and media encoder as well, and whatever else I can think of. This is just going to be one long edit, but there's a lot of helpful tips in here on Adobe, and I'll even share with you guys when I upload this to my playlist, how to or I'll share my other playlist with you of Adobe tutorials. That way, if you get stuck, you can always click on those as well. But I went through everything that I click on, pretty much explained everything, so you shouldn't have that much trouble. As long as you have like the most updated version that I have, then you can click on everything, like click by click by click, and yeah, so I'll be back in a bit.